All right, here's what you need to do. Open up one of those lesson 1 quizzes that you started. Hopefully it'd be the one that you think you finished, but you might have to open up a couple of them, and this is what you'll do. It should load up to the last question that you finished. And for me, that's question 19. But if you want to make sure, you can come here and click on your test summary. And that shows you all that you got correct and all that you got wrong. And here's some that weren't answered. I kind of did that so you could kind of see the different possibilities. Okay, so just make sure you go to that last question, do the question, and it should tell you when you get to the last question to click submit, but we'll go through it. Check for issues. Okay, now when I click next and click continue, because this is my last question, you shouldn't be able to help but click finish test, not save test. That may be what you're doing, is you're clicking save test. When you got to the end, you need to click finish test. And it'll say, are you sure you want to complete the practice test? You say yes. And when you're done, it will give you a grade. It should give you a grade that comes up. This is probably not going to be a very good grade for me because I skipped a bunch. Okay. So that's what you need to do to make sure you submit it.